What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Luna Classic. It's time for it again. I haven't covered it in quite a few days I think, but just not a lot happened. And to be honest, my last analysis I did was still valid and it was still correct. What I said is that we would probably just consolidate between 11,800 and ultimately like 12,750, which is what we have done. A quick recap, we got some bullish momentum on basically starting Friday the 31st before the Binance burn, which I totally forgot about, to be honest. I mean, it just seems like yesterday that we were that we had the previous Binance burn, which obviously did cause quite a lot of bullish momentum, but since then so much has happened. I'm not sure how much Binance has burned. Yeah, it's only 1.6 billion. The burns are barely anything either. Right now, apart from the burn tax, which is, I mean, still going on, but obviously it's not doing that much to the supply right now. But we got some bullish momentum from that. Now we have found resistance again at that resistance level, which we have respected countless times, around 12,500, also a psychological level. So I still think in general that my last analysis is still correct, where we're in a consolidation. We are not ranging. You can see that the ADX, or we are not trending. You can see that the ADX is below that 20 level, which I use to kind of gauge the trend. And there's just not a lot going on. I was looking at some governance proposals for TERRA Classic. And this is what's going on right now. I mean, the increased tax to 0.3% is a lucky shot, of course, but that doesn't go through. Nothing really goes through unless it doesn't mean anything right now. So upgrades, updates, new hard forks for the code, they go through. But apart from that, nothing else goes through. It's really just waiting. It seems to me, at least, that we're waiting for that proposal on the repack of USDT in Luna Classic. And until that time, I mean, I'm not sure if there's anything going around in the forums. You should let me know. I don't think so. But until that time, I think we'll just be consolidating. And right now, we are lucky that the market is fairly bullish. But you can also see right now that Bitcoin is dropping. If Bitcoin drops down below 28,450, then it's probably going to drop down lower. And that bearish momentum does transfer to Luna Classic as well. So right now we're still fine because the market has been fine. But if the market starts dropping, I think Luna Classic will start dropping massively as well. And at this point of time, I mean, what's the success rate, or at least the success probability of a Luna Classic USDC repack? There's a reason for why it's taking this long. I think, at least. That's speculation, of course, but it seems like it to me. Obviously, it's a very difficult topic and very difficult to implement as well. And there are a lot of things you need to think about, but I just don't think it's going to happen. And if it doesn't happen, that's bearish momentum. So altogether, I think we will still consolidate. I think 11,750 will hold as a support, but I do think that slowly we will drop down lower. We will get lower highs, and at some point, I think the most likely scenario still is that we will drop down to 11,000. From there, we'll see again. I mean, maybe from there we are able to recover some highs, but I doubt it. Luna Classic is a very fundamental driven token, and at this point of time, there are just no specific fundamentals driving it. So that's my take on Luna Classic. My update, a little bit depressing, but yeah, if you love Luna Classic, then keep hope. That's my only advice for you. But for now, this is my take on Luna Classic. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.